Hi, my name is Eric and I'm the startup manager with Sierra Air Conditioning. Today we'll be making some video tutorials to show you how to program and operate your thermostats at home. This is your T10 Pro Smart thermostat with Redlink. This is your main screen. It is reading the humidity, your indoor temperature. It is letting you know that it will hold until 6 p.m. To change the temperature, simply select the off mode. Select your cooling. Hit done. Raise or lower your temperature below the temperature that's in the room. Once you have selected it, it will send a signal to the equipment. It will hold the temperature until 6 p.m. or unless you come and physically make changes to the system. For heating, simply select your heating, done. And you can raise the temperature to heat or lower. Once that has done, it'll let you know that it's in heating. Orange screen comes on and it will hold until 6 p.m. If you want to make this a permanent hold, simply select the hold and it'll give you options for next period, a specific time, which can be 7:15. You can make this past 6, or you can have it as a permanent hold. Select permanent and it will maintain the temperature setting of 77 until you either raise or lower. And to cancel, simply touch hold, remove hold, and it will follow the preset schedule for your house schedule that you would like to have. To go into the menu options, simply select the menu. It'll bring a little screen that gives you all the options here off to the right. Your mode, your fan. If you want to change your fan, simply select from auto. You can either have it on to run continuously with non-stop, or on auto only runs while heating or cooling, and circulate runs at intervals to move air throughout your house, and it's about 35%. You can change them, select, and to change them back, select, say done, and it will save. For your schedule, it will give you options for group days or specific single day temperatures you want to have in your home. You can have them in the morning when you wake up, when you go away to work, when you get home, or before you go to bed. Simply to change that, select the arrow, select your time. Once you have selected time, select done, and save your time. For the temperature, you can raise or lower it for your specific preferences. Select done. And for the fan, it'll give you the option to have it on, circulating, or on automatic. You can do that for all of these cycles: the away, the home, and sleep. For the schedule options, you can create a new schedule, or if you don't like that schedule you made, you can also disable the schedule and just simply raise or lower your temperature to run your air conditioning. And you can also go back to reset to the default schedule. You want to say yes, and it'll give you back any changes that you have made previously. If we scroll down, it'll give you devices or sensors. If you add any to your system, it'll give you the thermostat information for the specific model, the equipment status. It'll let you know whether it's in heat, cooling, if the system's off. It'll also tell you if it's on 1 or 2 stage, if you have multiple stage systems in your home, or a system that's a 2 stage or 3 stage for some options. It'll give you dealer information. You can also configure your Wi-Fi, connect the app, any security features, and preferences. Here, it gives you a display. It tells you whether you want to have it in Fahrenheit or Celsius. If you want to change it, simply select the arrow and make your changes. Hit done, and it will save. Same for the language, for the screen, for the clock, for any interactive lighting, any indoor display offsets, and if you want to clean the screen, Just select the clean screen and it'll give you 30 seconds. Any reminders that you want to have, you can also add here in the adaptive recovery. You can either have it on or off. Make your selection, hit done, and it'll save. Your preferences can also go here for your date and time. Simply select the date, make your adjustments, time, you can say AM or PM, select done. Daylight savings time if you want to have it on or off, and your 12 or 24-hour clock. As you can see, you will always give the option, and the silhouette will be down here at the bottom saying done. You need to press that to save your changes. Thank you for watching, and for more video tutorials, please visit us at sierraconditioning.com.